Is this much?
Okay, just a minute. I forget your name, sir. Just a minute. Can we get? I'm Proper Ronald Dwayne with you in Harris County.
Are you one of those sovereign nations?
Yes, I am, sir. Yes, I am. Okay. Like I tell y'all, once I tell you what the law is, you need not.
I'm not going to listen to your law. I'm going to listen to Harris County law. You can make up your own law, okay? We're not going to abide by that. Now, if they say to get a copy of this, you're going to pay, you're going to pay. If you don't like it, there's
okay. Now you've been speaking. Now may I speak?
Okay. You can tell me all.
Okay. May I speak?
Yeah. Go ahead.
I just listened to you. Okay. Can I tell you in front of her so that it won't be no room for misunderstanding? Let's just get this. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Let's just get this clear for the government, for the FBI. Because once I tell y'all what the law is, I am not to be questioned. I am not to be questioned. Now, let's get this clear. Would you ask her to come back, please?
You don't want to come back.
Okay, then let me state to you what I told her. I told her that I am 1, indigent. I told her 2, I am proceeding pro se. And I told her I want a copy of the record so that I may file an amended appeal, an amended motion for new trial. And I also told her that Judge Schaefer upstairs has granted me authorization to appeal. Is there any part of that you do not understand, sir?
If Judge Schaefer...
Ain't no if to it. He did.
Show me the paper.
They have it in the system.
They say they know?
This woman down here has it. She just pulled it up. I don't know her name, but she worked for the clerk.
Hey, sir. Do not interrupt.
No, sir, I'm not here to interrupt. I'm not here to cause problems. I'm here to...
in line till they're done. You're not number 1 in line. You understand?
Sir, yes, sir, I'm understanding that, but you're creating confusion where there is none.
There's other customers. They're serving them. When they're done with them, then you can go barge in and ask.
Okay, but the legal result is remaining the same. She is telling...
You're going to find out. You're going to find out.
Excuse me, sir. Let me get these papers. In fact, I can go up to Judge Schaefer's office.
Go ahead, do it.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay, yes, sir. But what I'm saying is the legal result is the same.
Go ahead and get the paper.
Thank you, sir. And I'll bring them to you. Oh, okay, fine. Hello. Hello, ma'am. I'm having problems downstairs with a constable, deputy. First, I'm here. How are you? First, yes, I'm recording. Judge Shape is authorized that I can sue Texas. May I please have a copy of that order?
You have to get that downstairs.
Yes, ma'am.
But you have to pay for it.
Well, they pulled it up, and they know it exists. I was there to get a copy of a motion for new trial that I have filed, and they're giving me a hard time. I don't have time for that.
Because see, we don't have your documents in the system.
Yes, ma'am. But that's why I'm asking you for a copy of the order that Judge Schaefer gave me. Maybe that will do it. I don't know what they're going through.
So you said they put it up in the system?
The clerks did. So one of the supervisors went and called the constable. They intimidate me. I'm not intimidated. Judge Schaefer already authorized me to join church. I'm going to join church. So I don't know what they're going through.
So you said you already filed the documents with us?
Yes, ma'am. Judge Schaefer's already authorized I can join church. Now, I mean to join it. So they down acting like something wrong with them.
But yeah, the documents that you filed...
No, not those documents.
Not those documents.
I presented a motion on behalf of my wife in new trial. They thought I was a damn fool. I done everything the Supreme Court. I guess God had me to do because I didn't know. I haven't studied the family law. But everything that I was supposed to do, and the attorney that he's appointed to my wife is, oh, you ahead of the game. You ahead of the game. But I would suggest you go read this one rule. I'll go read this one rule so I see what's going on here. But the point is, Judge Phillips is supposed to have been held a hearing on whether or not the appeal is frivolous. He's supposed to recuse him. He's supposed to have done a lot of things. The FBI has already stated he's committed a crime. Only thing I'm here, since Judge Schaefer has authorized that I can appeal, he finds all the merit to my lawsuit to be, I want to get a copy of the motion because I didn't have a time to make a copy of my wife's petition. But the issue down there is that they want to charge me. I gave them two legal theories for giving me the record. One, the law says you have to give it to me because I'm proceeding what they call pro se. That's a fictitious corporation, pro se. My rights come from God. I'm a natural individual, so I don't know what they're going through. But what I'm telling them is that I'm indigent. I'm broke. I'm broke just like you are. And so give me the record. What the Supreme Court ruled in due process, give him the record. He's not represented by counsel. You have to give him the record for him to file his notice for a new trial, to file his brief. How is he going to file it without the record? He's indigent.
What case number you gave them that they looked it up on?
Yes, ma'am. 2017-02559J.
2017.
Yes, ma'am.
What else?
559J. It's a question about, it's not that they don't want to give me the record, it's that they think I have to pay for it. I'm telling them Texas law and federal law says I do not have to pay for it because I've been established to be what they call indigent.
Oh, an indigent.
And
so did you explain it to the supervisor?
She act like she don't understand English, but she's a black American and not from Africa, so she's supposed to understand English. She grew up here.
But are you a part of this case? Because it's confidential. Maybe that's why they're not.
I gave them what we call in this country driver's license. Although I don't need a driver's license to operate a motor vehicle, but I'm not trying to sue on that issue. But I presented to her what they call a driver's license.
But yeah, see, the case is confidential, and if you're not a party...
No, I'm not. Well, see, they are saying I'm a party. I'm saying I'm not. I'm saying I'm not a party for a legal reason, because I was never served by a constable. You, ma'am, cannot come out and just give me some legal papers because you're not authorized to do that. Therefore, I'm not a party, and they know I would get the case reversed because I've not been sued. Okay. But to the extent that they saying that I was served by a constable with the FBI, say, you see them surveillance cameras, that's going to prove that she's lying. We can get them those surveillance recordings. So to the extent that they say that I was served, I'm a party. My name is in that on the docket. It purports that I've been sued, but until someone authorized by law to serve you as then you're not a party. But I'm making it clear to the extent that they say that I am a party, I gave her ID. So I've established who I am, my identity. I've established my indigency. There's no basis for her to hold me up. It's only 12 hours in a day. I've budget my time. I mean, 12 hours a day, like 24, not really 24 hours, but 23 hours and about 48 minutes a day, like, I mean, in a day.
You said it's the order that the judge signed?
Yeah, Judge Schaefer has found that my proposed appeal has a lot of merit and authorized the first court of appeals that I may appeal. Once he done that, he cannot be overturned under Texas law. And finally, ma'am, when I thought I was going to get the papers and then just come straight up here, I have this last thing that the attorney representing my wife has been calling me, telling me I'm way ahead of the game on them, and I believe in. They thought they was dealing with a damn fool.
You trying to follow that today?
Well, yes, ma'am. I have, so Judge Schaefer, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, because most likely you're going to have to go back downstairs and get that copy.
Well, like I say, they sent the deputy constable in. They don't know if Mr. Walker is here this morning, but if you don't, so you're telling me you all don't have a copy, you can't print out a copy here of Judge Schaefer's order? Okay, fine. I'll go back, I'll request for it. If they continue to give me a hard time, then I'll just leave.
You want to file something today?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. Yes, ma'am.
This is the original one, just follow.
The original is in the first court of appeals. Would you like for me to re-sign that in ink to make it become an original?
Yes, it's up to you.
Well, that would make it become an original by what we call original signature. Otherwise, it's a duplicate. Some say copy. Yes, ma'am. I'll just sign above the photocopy signature. I mean, the Field Circuit Court of Appeals, they wouldn't take it unless it has the original signature.
Yeah, let me see, because it was filed at the Court of Appeals today. So
yes, ma'am.
Is this the check for the 234?
Right here, ma'am? Oh, I think she's talking to you.
234? Yeah, it says the 13.4. Is this the 13.4? No. Oh my god. Okay, of course. Thank you.
Okay.
okay, here, go ahead.
Okay. Can you, just for clarity purposes, are you saying, okay, you talked to the coordinator just now, and so is I guess I don't know how to ask the question, because I was thinking you all could assist me in this, meaning I explained that they don't want to buy the record for free.
And you have that on file, they're supposed to give it to you, but if you're not a part of the case.
I am a part of the case. That's what I was telling you. I mean, when I'm in a legal mode, let me just come back regular. Yes, ma'am, I gave them my driver's license.
Yeah. That's why I say usually also go on you. They don't want to deal with you. Then I don't know what else is up here.
Smile. But yeah, I getting that too. Is this, since that is the state case, needs to be here. That's like usurping Judge Schaefer's order. I'm almost done. Okay, here's the original. I'm sorry.
Since there's really nowhere to stamp on here, I'm just gonna do a white piece of paper and put stamp on here.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And that's yours if you want me to stamp.
Yeah, at the bottom will be fine. I appreciate everything, ma'am.
Okay.
All right. Bye-bye.
You going to your room?
I'm good with you. Say I'm good.
I know. I'm like,
Excuse me.
Going down to one.
Okay, I'm trying to get 4.
You got one.
Thanks. I thought you'd cross over and get here and get 4. Perfect. Hello, everyone. Yes, ma'am. I'm here to speak with either Mr. Walker or Mr. Daniels or someone down here. Please. Okay, by Mr. Daniels. Okay, then who will be next in line that can assist me? Thanks.
you want to come with me? Yeah. Thank you.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. Ma'am,
We got our certificate.
Mr. Walker and Mr. Daniels is aware of a legal problem that I'm having. I'm downstairs to obtain a copy of a motion for neutral. I presented them with what they call ID, identification. I presented them an order that they saw in the system. Judge Schaefer authorizing me to sue Texas in appellate court. And they also know that I'm what we call indigent, unable to pay the costs. There's, that has been established. Therefore, the record must be made without cost. And the clerk, there's a manual that you all receive online that charges you all. So you all are put one is indigent. So they are holding me up. God don't give me but 12 minutes out years ago.